Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, today is my day off. So today we are going to be cooking. We're going to be cleaning up my room and trying to get laundry done. So yeah, there's a lot that I have planned. So join me on this journey. Guys, let's get the first task done. That's cooking. We have about a total of about 8 to 9 pounds of food, which is just gonna be veggies and chicken. But the chicken's gonna be amazing by the time I'm done with it. So I'm gonna cook up the chicken. We are gonna cook it in in olive oil, but I'll have a light amount. If I do 5 meal preps, it's about 900 calories per meal. But if I do it within 10, it's gonna be significantly less, and that's what I'm going to try to do. So I'll have 9 containers ready, and then I'm gonna be eating one today for me. So we might do 8. Actually, yeah, I think I'm gonna do 8 because I think I wanna have a little bit more food per meal because sometimes I get hungry and I feel like it doesn't fill me up. But besides the point, I gotta cook. I will show you guys the results at the end. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen. So this is a checkup on the meal prepping. We got a bunch of chicken to cut, which I'm not excited to do. And we got a bunch of chicken that's cooking. And then, you know, while I was cooking, I was in Donnie and put this right on the hot stove so it melted. So now I have to get a new one. Say hi. Hi. That's my brother. But, so, yeah, we're gonna cut up this chicken, we're gonna get it in the meal prep containers and start warming up the veggies. Alrighty guys, so we just got the meal prep done. We got 7 meal preps, and then number 8 that I'm eating right here, we got all cleaned up. Each meal prep is about 750 calories, so it is higher than I want it to be. Because I was gonna have it spread out throughout 10 meal preps, but I realized I wanted more food per each, so yeah. And then I work for 2 days and I have a day off, but I'll be able to work for I think I work for another 4 days after that, so I'll be able to go a decent amount of time without having to meal prep for lunch.